This is my 2014 F-150 EcoBoost 3.5 liters. I'm having a knocking issue. You can read more of the details on previous threads that I posted. The oil pressure is looking good. The truck's not knocking right now because, as you can see, the engine hasn't come up to temp yet. Go out here. Okay, baby, give me some gas. Rev it up a couple times. Boom, boom, like that. Come on, do it again. Do it again. There we go. It's starting to knock now. All right, baby, I'm climbing under the truck. I found that it knocks where the crankcase meets the transmission. All right, baby, give us some gas. Rev it up again. All right, let it idle. You can hear the knock. All right, put it in gear. Give it some gas. Let off. Just rev it up. Just rev it up, baby. All right, that's good. Put it in gear. Make sure your foot's on the brake. Let it idle.